young adventurers! Today we have a super fun mission ahead. We are going to play a fantastic winter video game. Yes, and guess what? We are going to learn English at the same time. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Okay, here we go. As we play, we will encounter sentences with some pronouns that we need to decode, okay? Yes? In our first sentence, we see Tom and Susan are building a snowman. They give blank a carrot nose. Okay, what do you think? What do you think? What is that blank referring to? Tom and Susan are building a snowman. They give me a carrot nose, not me. They give you, not you. They give him or it. Yes? Yes! Great! Okay, that's the right pronoun. Great! Good job. And look, we got points. Fantastic. Okay, so this is the way we're playing this game. Let's keep going. Another challenge. Here's the second sentence. Jenny is making a snow angel. Jenny is making a snow angel. I'm helping blank with her wings. I'm helping me? No. I'm helping you? No. I'm helping Jenny. Jenny is a girl, so I'm helping him? No, I'm helping her. Yes, I'm helping her with her wings. Yes, great. We did it here again. Fantastic. And again, we got more points. Super trooper. Okay, there we go. Now, what else? Come on, give me more. Give me more. The next sentence says, Tom and Jerry build an igloo. They invited blank to play inside. Okay, who could that blank be? They invited me? Yeah, maybe. They invited you? Yes, how would I know? Oh, I think that here we need some clues. Come on, help us a little bit. Yes, help us a little bit. Oh, look, they invited you and me. You all and me together. So that is us. Yes, that is us. Great. Are we right? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Great. More points. I can't believe it. Let's do the fourth sentence. Lucy found a magic wand. Lucy found a magic wand. Okay. She showed blank how it works. She showed who? Who do you think she showed the magic wand to? We need some help here as well. We need a reference. There's a picture about a boy. So that means what? We need to find the masculine pronoun, the singular one. She showed him, that boy. We don't know the name, but we know he's a boy. So she showed him. Great! And here we got all the points we were missing. Yes! Good job, guys.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello again. All right. Indirect object pronouns. Now it's your turn. You can do this, okay? So let's go and see. I am very happy because David made a card for, and today I'm going to use different colors like purple, yellow, orange, okay? I have them here. So I am very happy. I is the subject because David, my friend, made a card for me. Yes, for me. Well done. My parents celebrated their wedding. And if you want, what you can do is you paint me like this. Me. You just paint the word. My parents celebrated their wedding and we baked a cake, the subject, but we baked a cake for us or we baked a cake for them. I mean, we are celebrating my parents' birthday, yes, or their wedding, so it's for them because they are the ones receiving the cake baked. So I paint them like this. Well done. Great. Alex and Mia are building a snowman. Alex and Mia are a boy and a girl. Yes? The orange doesn't work properly. A boy and a girl. They give them a carrot nose, or they give it. Yes, they give the snowman. So this is a tricky sentence. It's true we have the subject Alex and Mia, but the receptor is the snowman. Okay, so Alex and Mia are building a snowman and they give it a carrot nose. So we write it because a snowman is an object. Lian is not being a nice friend. Okay, Lian is the subject. He's not being a nice friend. You bought a toy for him? Okay, really, if he's not a good friend, you shouldn't be buying him stuff. So him is the object pronoun for this sentence. Jenny is making a snow angel. I'm helping Jenny with her wings. So I'm helping her. Yes, I'm helping her with her wings. Yes, I'm helping Jenny, and Jenny is a girl. Great. Children are tired, so I sang the song for, all right, children again, them. The children are tired, so I sang a song for them. Tom and Jerry built an igloo. Tom and Jerry, two boys, and they invited you, or they invited us to play inside. I think that makes more sense to say us. They invited us, right? Both would be fine, and we don't have any hint here, so you could also be, but I would choose us. Maria's grandparents, let me just see, Maria's grandparents, let's go, are coming. She cooked a meal for them. Yes, she cooked a meal for them. So the only one that we haven't used in here is you. It's not in this activity, but remember, pay attention to the subjects, but always ask yourself, who is receiving the action? And that is where you need to think about and choose the right object pronoun. Well done, guys. Remember that finally for this part of the book, you should be cutting the stickers like you have here. And you go and you stick it just on the number 4. Well done.